Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Kingston Fury Beast RGB 64GB DDR5 memory kit. This kit boasts a speed of 6,400 metric tons S and a CL32 latency, aiming to deliver top-tier performance for your desktop. With 64 gigabytes of total capacity, spread across two 32GB modules, this kit is designed for users who demand serious memory. The Fury Beast supports AMD Expo, which allows for optimized performance on AMD platforms. It also features plug-and-play functionality, making it easy to install and use. The kit includes JEDEC default profiles, two Expo 1.0 profiles, two XMP 3.0 profiles, and even a user-programmable profile, offering a wide range of customization options. Kingston is a well-known brand in the memory market, and the Fury Beast line is known for its reliability and performance. The RGB lighting adds a touch of style to your build, and the heat spreaders help keep the memory cool under heavy loads. This memory kit is ideal for gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs a large amount of fast memory. The 6,400 metric tons S speed and low latency ensure smooth performance in demanding applications. The AMD Expo support makes it a great choice for AMD Ryzen systems, while the XMP 3.0 support ensures compatibility with Intel platforms as well. Overall, the Kingston Fury Beast RGB 64GB DDR5 memory kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop's memory. It offers a great combination of performance, features, and style.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.